Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Victor, and in this video I'll be showing you this new website that paid me over 70k. And in this video I'll be doing a live withdrawal. There's no BS payment here. Live withdrawal, posting a credit alert, everything. And please wait till the end of this video. This website has a giveaway for everyone that waits till the end of the video. So the name of this website is EverPower. So once you sign up, you check the link in my description. I'll put the link there. Once you register with your email and phone number, you get a 1,000 naira registration bonus. Then let me make a withdrawal. Place 15,000. Then before I go, the minimum withdrawal is 2,500. The withdrawal time is 24 hours. If the account balance does not reach your account within 30 minutes of successful payment, please contact customer service, blah 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 blah. You can check that for yourself later. So withdraw. So I entered my bank. So I just submitted the withdrawal and it's showing pending. You can see as I withdrew today, early this morning, 40,000. I withdrew 6 minutes ago, 15,000. I was like, I usually test all this stuff before I put in. I received this alert already. I received this one already. So in the course of this video, I'm going to do this one. So I'll show you the credit alert of this one later in the video once it comes. So let's go to the dashboard. So if you want to register, you come down to register, recharge. If you want to top up, sorry, bank transfer, put the amount. Let me see. The minimum amount is 3,000 naira. The charge is 24 hours. Yeah, the other 5% later. So let me go for 10,000. Yeah. So yeah, when you come, you copy the account, make the transaction, then you click on I have paid. So I'll do that and come back. So I have paid. Then it will take you to a place that you write your name. So my name for me to charge. Then it's pending. Soon we get approved. Then we'll continue. Okay. So then here we have the VIPs. VIP 1, you have 3,000. The minimum plan 3,000. Daily profit is 700 naira every day. Just imagine 700 naira every day. And the minimum withdrawal is 2,500. So at least 3 days you withdraw your money. Understand? 700 naira. For those that are doing the low one, total income 42,000 for 60 days. So I don't know 5,000 naira. 1 daily profits, total income 78,000 for 60 days. So I don't know 10,000 naira. That is one I did at first. But I added more. 10,000 naira, 26, 60 days. I had one of 19,000 naira, 5,000 naira, daily profit, 300k for 60 days, bro. So to the end, anyone you are going for. Then let's check the team. They have a referral bonus. Hey, your first upline get 25% of their investment. If person has 3,000, you get 25%. If you have 10,000, you get 25%. If you have 100,000, you get 25%. We have 3% for the second person under your first upline, the 2% for the third person. Then yeah, the team. This is the team. Then also, so this is it. As I promised, I will send money. I'm sure it took like 3 or 4 minutes after I placed my withdrawal. That's it. We have the app, but when I clicked on it, it's not showing any app though. No app yet. So yeah, that is just it for now. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. Then I said I'll be giving the bonus of this website. They are giving a free giveaway. So this is it. Once you register, this is the first thing that will pop up. So you see here, free bonus, join our exclusive WhatsApp channel and access catering classes, digital marketing classes, YouTube monetization, Amazon book publishing, how to print and sell recharge card, and more. Bro, when I join this thing, man, it's real. Once you register, invest, you go to their WhatsApp channel, you see all the links there. Like all this stuff that you pay 50k, 100k to for ebook, for courses, they're giving it free. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will receive the alerts. Thank you.